Hi everyone, Letty here. I have another not too shabby August box of the month video. Today I'm going to be making some easy ephemera cards using that box of the month. Welcome back everyone. So I'm on the design team for the Not Too Shabby shop for this term. Here's their logo. I'll list a website affiliate link down in the description box below. Today I'm working with the box of the month for August. It comes with 2 paper pads, 2 packs of ephemera, and then 3 stamp sets. And then Jamie does throw in some freebies. We have a lollipop and some enamel dots here as well. So that is the box of the month. Let's do a quick unboxing. Let's start with this first paper pad. It's Outdoor Adventures. This is 6x6. You get 12 designs, double-sided. It's 24 total sheets. Here are the patterns. That's the front and the back of each of the papers. You can see here, again, there's 12 total different designs. Really fun colors. Look at this, the cameras, really like natural type colors. Really, really cute. You got some faux glitter there as well, some florals. So again, that was the Outdoor Adventures, 24 pages of 6x6. That's our first paper pack. And then it does have a coordinating ephemera pack called Let's Go Camping that will coordinate with that paper pack as well. So again, Let's Go Camping. It's really pretty images. Let me do a still shot of what comes in that pack, which is this one. You've got some trees and some boots and little equipment for hiking and some girls. Really, really fun images. So that's what comes in that pack. Then we have Let's Have S'mores. That's the second paper pad that comes with this kit. It's 6x6, 24 total sheets, 12 designs. Here are those 12 designs. That's the front and the back of each of the papers that come in this pack. So they are loose. They're not stuck together or anything. All of the sheets are totally separate. So you'll be able to start crafting with these awesome designs. These are some s'more images. So fun. So that's Let's Have S'mores. Again, 24 total sheets of 6x6 paper. Then, of course, that one also has a coordinating ephemera pack called S'mores Please. This one is really cute. So again, S'mores Please. Let me show you a still shot of all those super cute images that come in that pack. So you've got some fireplaces and some graham crackers and chocolate and marshmallows and sticks and just a ton of s'more related items. We have 3 stamp sets that also come in this kit. Wanderlust Adventures is the first one. These are like 4x6 stamp sets. So super cute. Super pretty images. You've got some really fun images there. Outdoorsy. It's called Wanderlust Adventures. And then Adventure Awaits. And this is really fun too. This is camping. You got a little RV, you got some camping gear, a fireplace, some great sentiments. Really fun. This is going to create some really cute cards as well. And then the third stamp set is called Happy Camper. And this one is such a fun one, and it really coordinates well with that s'mores ephemera and paper pad. So this is really cute. So again, Happy Camper there. So those are our 3 stamp sets. Then again, Jamie threw in some freebies. You've got some enamel dots and a lollipop. So again, that's the box of the month for the month of August. I do have a website affiliate link. I'll link that down below. And let's go ahead and dive into today's project. So before we dive in, let me show you what I've already made using this box of the month. I did 2 sets of square cards. I'll link both of these videos at the end of this one in the end screen, so you can keep watching and you'll get to those videos. For today's project, we're making some easy ephemera cards. I have everything already laid out and ready to assemble. I did primarily use this Let's Go Camping ephemera pack as my main sort of decorating item, and then of course the Outdoor Adventures paper pack that coordinates with that one. And so I also did use some of the stamps from these stamp sets as well that were in this box. I did bring in some doilies, and these are about 3-inch doilies that were just in my stash. I know Doodlebug has some very similar. I did keep all of the scraps that I had cut down from this 4x6 piece of paper. So I took a sheet of 6x6, cut it down to 5 1/4 by 4, had a little scrap, and the scrap is what's going to go on the inside of our card. I will have some 2-inch strips that I have left over. I'll save those for a future project, but today I'm going to put together some cards, and so I thought I would bring you along on the assembling process. So I'm going to start each of these cards by gluing the inside scrap strip first, and then I will then do the front of the card. So I'm going to add my large mat, and this is again 4 inches by 5 1/4. That's my go-to A size or A2 size mat. It's just what I prefer because I like to have a little bit of white border around the edges. I did add my doily to the front of this one. Then I added one of the really fun sentiments that came in the stamp sets. And then I added some of the ephemera pieces. Now this pack of ephemera has some really cute like wilderness girls. I think they were so fun, and I definitely wanted to use them on some of my cards today. So this first one definitely has that girl as like one of the showcasing pieces. I added a couple of additional layering pieces of ephemera, and that completes card number 1. So here's what the final card looks like. Super fun, and as you saw, super easy. So let's move into card number 2. Again, I'm going to start with that scrap on the inside. I tend to try to just glue that scrap down first because sometimes when I make the fronts of my cards, they can get kind of bulky, and I really want to make sure that I can press down and not have to worry about going back after the fact and adding something to the inside. So I like to take care of that inside first, and then I come back and finish off and decorate all of the front of my card. Another reason to do the inside first is if you end up adding like glossy accents or any type of wet embellishments on the front, you want to make sure that they are able to dry. This was card number 2. So you definitely want to make sure that they can dry before you start pressing it down. You don't want it to get smeared just because you're trying to decorate the inside. So again, I always try to start with that front if I can remember to do so, which is what I'm doing on these cards. And all of these cards are extremely similar. I have the same element of a 4 by 5 1/4 A2 mat. I have a doily, and again, this is about 3 inches. I know Doodlebug has some that are around this size, and Jamie does keep some of these in her shop. If I find some of the white doilies, they're by Doodlebug, but Jamie will sell them at the Not Too Shabby shop. I'll see if I can pull some of them that are in stock, and I'll list some of the links down below in case that's something that you want to try to look for when you're shopping at Not Too Shabby. So here's card number 3. So these are going so super fast. Ephemera cards are one of my favorite types of cards to make because they're so quick and easy. The ephemera pieces and the paper do all of the hard work for you. You literally just stamp out some sentiments, then you literally just layer on like a doily or a white cardstock circle, die cut circle, something that will sort of anchor in the background to sort of break up some of the pattern from the paper, and then layer your ephemera pieces on top, and it's so easy. And if you look at these, like that little cluster on that ephemera has everything already clustered together for you. That's card number 4. So Jamie and Teresa, when they're designing these paper pads and they're putting these collections together on the ephemera, they really do an excellent job of coordinating and really taking a lot of the hard work out of it for you. They have a lot of things that coordinate, so it makes projects like these super easy. We have just almost finished 5 cards, and they literally were done in like a snap of a finger. They're so quick and easy. So on this last one, I'm bringing in one of these girls again. I think these are just so super fun. And Jamie has a ton of these types of sets where you've got some coordinating ephemera with the paper pack. That's one of the things that I love most about the Not Too Shabby shop. You have lots of options here, especially to make quick and easy cards like this. This was card number 5. So let's come in for a final recap. Okay, so to recap, we have the August box of the month from the Not Too Shabby shop. The box this month came with 2 paper pads, 2 coordinating ephemera packs, 3 stamp sets, and Jamie did throw in some freebies. We have a lollipop and some enamel dots. So for today's project, I did some easy ephemera cards. I made 5 cards from this one kit. I used a standard A2 mat, added a scrap on the inside, layered with a doily, some ephemera pieces, and then finish it off with a sentiment. You could always come back in and add some enamel dots or glossy accents or any type of additional embellishment to the fronts of these cards, but I feel like they are cute just as is. And I let those ephemera pieces in the paper do all of the work on these cards. So those were my easy ephemera cards, again, using the box of the month for the month of August from Not Too Shabby shop. I do have a website affiliate link. I'll link it down below. It helps my channel grow at no extra cost to you. And so I really appreciate anytime anybody uses that. So again, we have the box of the month, and I'll list my previous project videos up here right now. So thanks for visiting, everyone. Here are those videos that I did in my previous projects. You can check those out. You can also check out the hashtag N2S August 24 to get more inspiration from the design team this month using all of the new releases from Not Too Shabby. Thanks so much for watching. Happy crafting.